Good evening and happy Monday, everybody. Welcome to the VectorVest channel. My name is Ryan. Always a pleasure giving you these 6 p.m. videos. Today, I'm especially happy because one of my favorite stocks I love to trade, especially options on, AMD. Big news coming out. I've been telling you about the breakout of the descending channel, giving a lot of optimism in this position over the last few weeks. But hey, a lot of news coming out over the weekend, right? They released some of their chips, crucial for AI infrastructure and the growth of AI going into the future. So tonight's presentation, we're going to take a look at some vital articles, see exactly what's causing AMD to move in the first place. Then we're going to jump into the VectorVest 7 system, analyze the stock, and take a look at the chart. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, stick around and let's get started. All right, the first thing I want to show you, this news actually broke out last Thursday, but Friday we had the market sell-off, right? Everything going on with Iran and Israel conflict. This was overlooked. AMD reveals next generation AI chips with OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. Now, as I scroll down here, it's all about the new MI400 series chips that'll ship next. Right now, they've got the MI350, but look, the chips, they'll be used as part of a rack scale system. Sound familiar, right? Just like NVIDIA, so that way they could be used to hyperscale clusters of AI computers that could span entire data centers. Now, the OpenAI CEO Sam Altman said that his company would use AMD chips. It's going to be an amazing thing. And speaking of new partnerships, obviously this one's not as big, but just something to keep on your mind here. DigitalOcean Holdings on the New York Stock Exchange, DOCN, the simplest scalable cloud for digital native enterprises, announced that a collaboration with AMD that provides DigitalOcean customers with access to AMD Instinct GPUs and DigitalOcean GPU droplets to power their AI workloads. Again, this is starting with the AMD MI300X GPUs. Later this year, they will upgrade to the 325s, further expanding access to power and affordable, that's the key word, affordable GPU models. Now, here's an article I found on Yahoo Finance coming out of that Advancing AI 2025 conference in San Jose. AI inferencing demand is set to grow more than 80% annually. This is where it's at. This is the future now. Inference. It is absolutely pivotal for the AI revolution. And this is where the demand for GPUs is going to continue to grow. And again, it's all about AMD versus NVIDIA. AMD doesn't have to beat NVIDIA, but as long as they can keep up and steal a little bit of the market share, there's going to be big things for AMD's investors. You can see here the MI355X is a 1.4 kilowatt liquid-cooled monster built to battle NVIDIA's Blackwell. Now, the whole purpose of this is the GPUs seek to shake NVIDIA's grip on AI infrastructure. Now, AMD's latest Instincts aims to match NVIDIA's most powerful Blackwell GPUs. And as I continue to scroll down here, in fact, at least on paper, AMD's latest chips aren't that far behind NVIDIA's 288 gigabyte Blackwell. Again, Blackwell Ultra GPUs announced this spring. All right, so we got the point. AMD came out with some crucial updates and crucial new product lines that even got the attention of Sam Altman, right? OpenAI ChatGPT's CEO. Look at the stock now. We're taking a look at it in the VectorVest 7 software. Again, up over 9% here. If we take a look, I mean, the stock is still undervalued. We value the company $146. And if you take a look at our proprietary indicators, again, these are on a 0 to 2 scale. Above 1 is favorable, below 1 is unfavorable. Right now, favorable ratings in fundamental categories RV and RS. Looking at RT, the relative timing for the short-term price trend, the stock is in an uptrend right now. A lot of attention on this position. We can see that momentum climbing into today, trading at session highs. And just glancing at the forecasted data, 26% for growth rate and earnings and a buy recommendation. No wonder the stock is garnishing attention amongst investors at this time. All right, here's AMD over the last year, and the descending channel can clearly be seen here. That I've spoke about this many times, but if I zoom into a 3-month time span, look at this nice rally, lower left, upper right, above the trend line, above the 20-day EMA. I did have a level here of resistance around 115, another level around 121. You can see blowing right past that at a new high right now. But this is what I like about this position. The valuation that we have on AMD on the rise, price action on the rise. I can't be too mad at it. Now, as of right now, if we do see any kind of pullback, I would like to see a pivot or at least price action staying above the prior swing high here, coming in around 124. So as long as price action stays above 124, definitely optimistic in the short term. But overall, as long as price action stays above this trend line and the 20-day EMA, let's not overthink it. The company's got a lot of big projects coming out this year. Now, I hope everyone found this video informative. Again, my name is Ryan. Always a pleasure giving you these 6 p.m. videos. If you enjoy the content, make sure you hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button so that way we can keep you on the right side of the market. Have a good night, and until next time.